Double track saw table arrived to explain. First open the package, remove the machine and accessories. Inventory of accessories. Expanding the saw table. Spread the supporting leg. Assembly of side extensions. Find the extension pole. Threading into pre-drilled holes. Loosen the lower ram's horn screw. Just adjust the length lock. Same mounting method on both sides. Insert the square tube. Loosen the ram's horn screws. Just adjust the length lock. To extend the fluids assembly, first locate the 4 long screws. Threading into the pre-drilled holes of the fluent strips, lower 1 nut locking. Screw a nut in the center. Adjustment of height. Thread it into the pre-drilled holes in the extension bracket. Height adjustment via center nut. Adjust to be flush with countertop. The lower locking nut is sufficient. Same mounting method on both sides. Extension runners assembled. Assembly of front extension bracket. First put the screw into the nut. Insert the gasket. Threading into pre-drilled holes. Lower adjustment nut. Lock nut. The front side screws can be installed into the slots as required. Installation of stainless steel rollers. Align the roller with the screw holes. Press to align holes for piercing. Loosen the tabletop ram's horn screws. Align with the reserved square tube to thread. Front extension bracket. Just adjust the length and lock it. Stainless steel roller chain height adjustment. By adjusting the center nut, adjusting the height of stainless steel rollers. Just make it flush with the countertop. Front extension bracket assembly completed. Installation of flip hinge. Place the flip hinge on the underside of the countertop, aligning the holes. Just fix the screws. Same mounting method on both sides. Assembling the telescopic ruler. First, align the telescoping ruler with the flip hinge square nut, threaded into the slide of the backrest. Align it with the number 2 on the right side of the 0 mark on the countertop. After that, just lock the screws. Telescopic ruler assembly is completed. Assembly of the positioning block loosens the lower nut. Push through a ruler, i.e. to get to the front of a door. The slots are adjusted to size and then locked. Erection of a vertical mount. First adjust the adjusting screws to the proper size. Just turn it over and snap it tight. Assembly of miter gauge. First find the gasket. Align it with the lower hole. Align the mounting plate with the holes. Locking screw. Loosen the nut. Point SDH at the right angle. Shoot through. Adjust the position. Locking screw. Adjust the angle and lock it. Installation of gong machine inverted plate. First adjust the lower screws to the proper position. Install the inverted plate so that it is flush with the countertop. Thread in the screws after installation. The lower nut will hold it in place. Completion of assembly of gong machine inverted plate. Locking and fixing of rails. Loosen the fixing screws under the rail, one on each side. The track can be operated normally after loosening. Locking locks the screws into the holes. Orbit is locked. Double track saw table assembly completed.